इतना प्यारा सवेरा हो, हंसता हुआ हर चेहरा हो, स्वस्थ हो संसार सारा, सबका भविष्य सुनहरा हो. Mother Teresa once rightly said, "We cannot achieve big things on this planet, only little with big affection." The strength of kindness is infinite. Even the little decisions and selfless act of kindness can contribute to the creation of a positive social environment.
Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. We at NSS are a group of such individuals working towards a common goal to serve this humanity. The service to humanity results in ekta. It brings hope and life to the less fortunate and helps us share our piece of privilege with them. When peace and harmony become the main cause of every kind of service rendered to the nation by its people, it becomes service to ourselves and the universe. The best way to find ourselves is to lose ourselves in the service of our nation. This is the essence that NSS tries to spread on a daily basis.
The National Service Scheme was introduced in 1969 in the birth centenary year of Mahatma Gandhi. By joining this service, one gets to know the society on a grassroots level, understand their needs, and do selfless seva for them with whatever means possible. The rampaging pandemic brought a new set of crises with it. Nevertheless, NSS shifted to the virtual mode of service and tried its best to respond to the new set of challenges and demands of the people by instilling a strong sense of goodwill amongst the youth, whilst following measures and guidelines of the government, all for the greater good of the nation.
I'm Ranjana M, NSS volunteer JNU. COVID-19 has challenged us in ways that are unprecedented in modern times. But in times like these, the necessity to spread awareness and help those in distress has rampantly increased, and so has the need to show action for what NSS stands for. Thus, we all joined hands in various sessions and webinars by frontline workers, mental health specialists, making people register for vaccination and spreading awareness via social media and so much more.
Various collaboration and continued session on topics of great importance helped us know and spread the message that the human spirit is stronger than anything that can happen to it. It is true that no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Carrying through blood donation campaigns, Shramdan in various donation drives, giving clothes and foods to the needy, especially little children, blessed us with unmatchable bliss. Seeing the joys in the eyes of little children and all those in need is much more special than any materialistic pleasure.
What nature has given to us can never be returned, but putting in small efforts like carrying out cleanliness and plantation drives gives a ray of hope for the future of our planet. Activities such as tide turners, camp, recycling and water conservation under the Swachhata Pakhwada have indeed motivated youngsters to do their bit towards the planet and fulfill its duty to protect our beloved Mother Earth.
Efforts have been made to educate and empower the masses on menstruation and the issues surrounding the extremely beautiful and natural process that it is. NSS also believes in breaking stereotypes and creating progressive opportunities for women in the field of entrepreneurship and digital awareness. It also believes in combating evils on sexual harassment and providing equal learning opportunities as well as facilitating path-breaking conversations on the importance of gender equality.
The nation has been taking baby steps towards making the world a more equal and a better place for everyone. Celebrating Pride Month to establish a more inclusive space for the LGBTQIA community has been one step taken by NSS for the same. Treating everyone with love, empathy and kindness is the basis of all we try to abide by and propagate amongst the masses.
When the pandemic and lockdown took a toll over our fitness, the Fit India campaign, including yoga, dancing, cleaning, workouts, walkathon, blog run, cycling and freedom run, ignited the spirits of people and motivated them to stay fit.
Every kind of step, be it big or small, creates a ripple effect. And we are on a path to create the same ripple effect and set the world in a better direction.
Life dedicated to serving humanity is the most sublime way of making it worth living. As human beings, we are present with the power of reflection and contemplations. We must always choose the path of empathy and generosity and service.
We at NSS work to promote and improve the social and political conditions of the society on a broad scale, and we'll continue to focus on all such issues concerning human rights, society, environment, and advocacy. Nevertheless, being from different wings of colleges, we do perform distinct activities, but our goal is common, that is, to uphold the need for service towards a better world.
We follow the fundamental principle of Sarvajan Hite Sarvajan Sukhe, which has a long way to go in nation building. The potential of kindness is unlimited, but can only be grasped by working together. A random act of kindness by an individual can change lives and the perception of the whole for others.
यह देश सुखद समृद्ध बनाए, इस सपने को सच कर दिखाए, मैं से हम फिर हो जाए, इस भारत का हम भाग्य बनाए. On this NSS Day, together we pledge to continue with such acts and make this world a better place. We aspire for unfolding the wings of humanity through enthusiastic efforts, truly justifying the motto of NSS Gargi.